There's a fish there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you hear?
Yeah, it's probably the small ones that are trying to hide from the big ones.
This one has a big one here, living in this place.
Yeah, there's a turtle down there.
Where?
It swam away already.
Turtle?
Yeah.
Oh my God, a baby one?
Yeah.
So this place is filling with the light, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Even turtles.
It looked like a sea turtle from the way it was swimming.
Yeah, it will not think that unless it's a sea turtle, or it will drown.
Do you want to pull it up, Mom? Want me to do it? Oh, we got some big ones this time.
Let me see. Oh, big ones!
Yeah.
It's a big one.
Yeah, 4. Here, you want to hold the camera? Okay, here.
How many?
4.
Oh, I should have got my tongue. Go back and get a tongue.
Okay.
Oh, that's a big one, Ken.
Yeah. Okay, I'll go get your bucket. Okay, these are 2 crabs that we caught just now, and we had to set 3 of them go because we're still a little small. And Mom's going to cook them for lunch.